Flash.
Alright, let's do this. Pre-war jitters are gone. It didn't even take my first death to get rid of them. Let's do this.
I don't feel anything.
What's the strat?
I feel. Follow
Actually,
us.
you know what? No. Don't tell me. I'm just gonna follow. Right, going over my head. What I need to work on. No more dodging before healing. Alright. Do not dodge. What?
We're upper bonfire B, lower bonfire, just bonfire. We're bonfire.
Wait, what part of B are we? We're still top, right? Top
Yeah.
left? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we bonfire side?
Yeah, we're bonfire.
Okay. What is this slide? This is funny.
What the fuck?
Yeah, so we're top left again.
Yeah, bonfire.
Okay. Yeah, so they're gonna let us have A and C, and then we're gonna be fighting B again.
I don't know. They might get cocky.
I think that they're going to give us. I don't know. They may not. Yeah, they may just try to teach us a lesson. You know, not give up points.
Yeah. Usually when you have an award, I noticed how it was last time we awarded them. They gave up their 3 points, felt us out. The second time, they tried to 3-punt hold us.
That doesn't surprise me.
So I guarantee you, we
So
might
we're
meet
going
up
with
with
the
a
same
lot more
plan as last
resistance when
time.
we go to A. Or not A, C. Left point.
A.
Whatever the left point is. A, yeah.
Left looking out of the war camp, or left
Yeah.
looking. Okay, out of the war camp is C.
Okay, yeah, C then. I think they're going to rotate hard to C because that's what we did last time, and they're probably going to meet that.
So is he gonna like side call or?
So hunted is calling and flushing is augmenting, which
Oh.
I don't. Flushing's still learning too, so this is a student teaching a student situation.
Okay.
I would love to experience Vic shot calling war. I've yet to, and I'm really sad.
We held. We also took territories.
I'm still trying to convince Hino to shot call.
You'd be good at it.
Yeah, Hino would be great. I love his calls and OP.
Oh,
And
yeah, he used to shot call our waters in Iterum.
you know, Cap, I called for Horizon too, for like quite a few wars.
Yeah, I was
Nice.
hearing that you were their caller for a bit.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we won, defended. We lost one war in defense, and it turned out that they went and looked at everybody's VODs, and people were fucking up. And then when they listened to me, we fucking held. We held against some really strong companies too, stronger than us.
I'm not even recording a bot.
Not necessarily it's my fault, or the reason why we won was because of me, but it fucking worked.
I'm probably not even gonna like record the whole war. I'll just record like 10 minutes of it. Like, so this is what I was doing.
All right. Everybody has the right heart runes on, or whatever the fucking things are called.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, heart rune. Yeah, right rune on from the last war.
No, I'm using the worm. Yeah.
And removed from army. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Damn, that'd be fucked.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright,
You gonna pop them this early? That actually makes sense,
Yeah.
actually. Pop them before.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. And stat boys don't have any haste. They're already on top.
Yep.
Yep.
See?
Swing around. Don't dive into that. All right, now they're right here at the bottom of. Yep.
There's Scream. Oblivion down on you.
I'm getting beat up. Hold on. Popping everything.
I'm dead.
Trying to get out of here.
I'm moving up the top left.
All right, where you
Trigger's
at?
on Vic, but
I'm still on bottom left.
far.
Or bottom right.
Hang
So
on, I did
we're on bottom on the.
Oh, we're not gonna adjust for this full army.
Oh,
I
God.
say we need to treat this like it's point B right now.
Okay, hold on. Let me swing back around. Trying to keep these people out of our back line, but it's not working too well.
Yeah, I'm getting hit right now.
Yeah, swing around
moving.
bonfire. Swing
Yeah.
bonfire. Bonfire's free. Bonfire's free. If you
Alright,
need a
good,
free
perfect.
place to cast.
Secret under you, Vic.
All right, I'm at the bottom right.
And how are they not getting six on
I'm
A?
bottom left.
Secret
You,
on Vic.
There's a lot of
DE
people
and
at
Vic.
A.
Clapping.
Alright, I'm repping around on the top of point towards that left quad.
Sacred on Vic.
Backing up real quick. Cleansing.
Vic.
Going back in. Perfect. Miss. Yeah, perfect. We fight this here. I'm fucking.
Clapping. Sacred on Vic. They're rotating to the bonfire.
Got out.
It's not really free anymore.
Yep. Okay. Rotate around then. Rotate the other side or do whatever you need to do.
Clapping.
Good job. Cleansing.
D the wrong person.
It's okay. It's okay.
Don't stop. Give me a
I'm
second.
here.
Clapping.
My daddy's up.
I just.
Sacred on Vic.
If you can do this. I'm at this. Yeah. I'm over here with straw. I'm dead.
Tried healing you.
It's okay.
Sorry about
it's
that.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. No. Don't worry about it. You're doing good.
Getting targeted. Give me a moment.
Yep. You're fine. Rotate around. Do what you need to do.
Yep, rotating to
I think we
opposite of
need
the bonfire. See.
It's a perfect job.
On a war camp.
Seems like we got wiped here. Backing up a bit.
Yeah, they just need to start sending
Wow.
people to be.
Yeah, being chased, kinda.
Kind of laggy.
We stay and see again.
I haven't heard that they're even pushed off A. They're fighting by.
I don't
the
hear
line.
anything in main comms.
I don't either.
Me
Flushing.
too.
Yeah, we're all scattered. Holy shit.
Okay. They're pushing us.
Vic, I'm with you.
We just need to go to B. Abandoned C.
Oh god, I'm gonna die here. Dead.
Bro, what the
I
fuck
tried
is
to help.
going on?
Get out of there, straw. Run. All right.
I'm not even sure. Okay.
I can't hear him.
Okay, I see straw. I'm gonna go by straw. Healing.
All right,
you,
where we at? We
Jester.
should be bonfire. We should be on bonfire side. Top
Okay.
left.
Top left.
Yep. We should be top left.
Alright, I'm working up to you.
I'm gonna pull up behind some of these dudes.
Alright, I'm on straw.
I'm in the clump right now, trying to go
Yeah, get
free.
over there.
Gonna rotate, clap if you're near. Okay.
Yeah, get out of there, get out of there. Okay, I'm gonna.
Yeah. Gonna rotate again. I'm by bonfire, but I'm rotating towards A side. Clapping.
I'm trying to make my way back around. Oh my god, Jesus.
These fucking
I died.
spears.
Oh, bunch of low health bars though. Fuck, we really had that. We could have totally nuked that.
Yeah. Do y'all hear anything from
Alright.
incoms?
I can't hear
No.
shit.
I don't hear.
I can't hear shit from them.
Not even like anyone else talking?
I can barely hear Hunted. Barely hear him.
him.
Okay, yeah. I can't even... Okay. I'm gonna try to rotate the straw. Dead. Okay.
Alright, so
And
as
they're
we're
all in our
respawning.
back line and stuff. Okay.
Yep. Okay, that's. Just kidding. I have all the case that I can get. I'm sorry, all the cleanse I can get. Let's go back to bottom left. Let's start bottom left, and we're gonna work our way up.
Alrighty.
Bottom left? Perfect. Okay.
All right, bottom left right here. Okay, I'm right on the edge of point. I'm causing a crash. I'm causing a crash. Now declump it. Don't nuke it. Don't nuke it. See, there's the crash.
I'm dead. I can't live.
Oh,
All right, leaving. All right, going up to the top of point. What these people are?
Alright, I'm coming back to road. There's a lot of people playing on road back here.
I'm on B. I'm on B right now. Oh god.
You're
Oh
on
god.
B?
Oh god. I need help. I need help.
I can't save you through that, I don't think. Give me
Yeah,
a
you did.
moment.
No.
Oh, okay.
Or I got
Perfect. Alright, Sacred on you, Vic. Rotating to the other side. Seems a bit freer.
Yep.
One
I'm just.
moment.
I'm over here living. I'm over here living in clump.
Clapping.
Trying. I got a bar red. I'm trying to leave. Oh god.
Got disrupted. Sacred
Oh,
on
God.
you, Vic. Clapping for
Okay, I'm
everyone.
I'm trying to get out.
Okay. Heal Vic.
Okay. I'm gonna die here. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm already dead.
I'm dead. Oh my god. I just got hit for 2 4Ks.
Alright, Havoc. Sacred's going on you now. Being chased
Oh,
a bit.
boy.
Gonna rotate. Full of red.
All right, guys.
Cleansing.
All right, I'm looking for y'all right now on the map. I'm gonna zoom in, and then we need to get together. We are spread.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think anyone
There's no
knows what they're
unity.
doing.
No, it's just straws down to you right there.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about the army as a whole.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. It's okay. Sacred's under Vic. Gotta keep moving
I'm
around
backing up
though.
a little
This is
bit.
good practice for positioning.
okay, what the fuck? It's no call. We have no call on the...
And I'm already getting collapsed on.
Nuking it, nuking it.
Sacred on Vic. Healing you, Havoc. Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna work
and
up.
the Jester.
And I did weapon swap.
I'm about to grab him too.
My death's up if you
I'm holding
see
in mine.
anything to call, because
Yeah, I'm
I'm a
waiting
bit
for
farther
it.
from you guys.
All right, I'm at top of point basically. I'm looking
Yeah.
at Val.
Sacred's cast it wrong.
He's over
Gonna
there.
need a
I
minute for
see you.
Sacred.
Come on. Okay, back up a little bit. Back up. Get out of here. Get out of here. This is a nuke waiting to happen.
Yeah.
All right, Havoc's hurt. Havoc's hurt. Havoc, I'm on you. Oh, who's fucking?
That's all these spears.
Sacred on Vic.
I'm watching.
I'm a bit far for you guys if you back up a bit too much. Clapping. Rotating to opposite of bonfire.
Okay, I'm on bonfire high. Try to fucking get in here.
Throwing worms.
Gonna try to sacred you. Can I
I'm
clap?
dead.
I'm just dancing around for my life right now. Hang on.
Pretty much. I'm buying time.
Rotating around. Oh, a lot's on me right now. Give me a moment.
If you need to rotate, keep rotating.
Yep.
Just let us know where you're rotating so we can play around you.
Yep.
Straw hidden.
Good job, by the way.
All right, I'm on top of point right now. On
Top
their
of
side.
point. Okay. Okay. Try to scoot a little bit closer to bottom so we can nuke this here.
All right.
Havoc, do you have a combo here or no?
I'm down.
Sacred's under you, Vic.
But yes, I got one when I get back.
Okay.
My team's starting to clump. Let me get away from our team. Because I feel like their ball's gonna... Sacred under you, Vic.
Backing up a little bit. They're getting pulled.
Healing you.
You're okay. I'm gonna cleanse, and I'll be alright.
Clapping.
Alright, I'm with you.
Cleansing. Also.
Alright, I'm top left.
Okay, let's push up Havoc. I'm right behind you. Havoc, let's
Sacred's
push up
on
here.
Vic.
Let's push up here and like right about here-ish where I got us. Look at that clump.
They're dead on you. Watch out.
Yeah.
Vic.
I'm
Sacred
down.
on Vic.
Yeah, I'm on the top. Yeah.
Gotta rotate again. I can feel a collapse from them.
They're just zerging around
Yeah,
right now.
I see them zerging around. That's what I meant. Like their ball was hitting through. Ugh. Oh. Almost got caught in the storm. Look at that. Got Cho Mama
Damn
AFK.
it, man. I'm trying to hit people and I can't even hit them.
Sacred
Oh,
Rebuke.
There's so much
Oh,
better
see,
and
charge.
slow. Alright, I'm going back to B. I'm going back to B. There's nobody on B right now. Straw, I'm with Straw.
Yeah, I'm with you, Vic.
I'm like lagging all over the fucking place.
What is that?
I can't hit a fucking thing.
was
This is getting
Vayne sound.
frustrating.
Yeah. Is Flushing
Ass.
speaking anything? Dizzy.
Right here, top left, top left. I'm trying to leave.
Clapping?
Cleansing, going back in. Cleansing, going back in.
Sacred under you, Vic.
We're
Sacred's under Vic.
I'm gonna cleanse too.
Clapping.
I'm gonna grab on you just to get you guys.
Yeah, they're chasing me. They're trying really hard.
Yeah, I know. I know. I see it.
Sacred under Vic.
They just got full healed. I had them at no health. I'm dead.
Yeah, too far from you. Sorry about that.
I tried. Oh yeah. Okay. What? You can buy cleanse
That was
pods
their
at another
sacred?
spot.
Nice.
They've broken our armory. That's wild.
You can go over here and buy it. There's other places.
They're everywhere. I love this.
Yeah, we're
Dude, yeah, they're break. Oh my god, they are not doing that.
Yeah, this is really good positioning practice. Sacred is by Straw.
Oh fuck, I need to slot the cleanse. That'd be nice. Okay.
Let me know where you guys are. I see Havoc on top of point, top left. I see Vic, bottom. Healing you, Vic.
Yeah, I'm
Clap.
leaving. 'Cause that fucking hurt. Okay.
Sacred under Vic.
Yeah, I'm
Heal Vic.
living for some reason. I'm cleansed too.
I got pylons up out in here. Okay. Don't want to go there.
Oh, I got nuked.
Seriously, we have no
I'm
main
taking
goal.
so much
Seriously,
damage.
it's a joke.
I'm doing no damage.
Yeah,
and
this feels
taking
like
too much
a
damage.
joke. Just when we tried saying we weren't a joke to them. Crazy. I love
Seriously.
this. I love this so much.
Well, I was trying to tell Flushing.
Like, what did he say when you tried to tell him too? Like, what was going through his head? I would love
Alright.
to.
I don't know.
I'm
It's
throwing
okay.
a spear. This is
Yeah.
a loss.
I think after
do you
this
think?
one, I take a little break for other
If you're
war.
gonna little break from war.
Oh yeah, seriously. Yeah.
And like, who the fuck is this? Fuck off. Anyway.
Alright, let's go left side of point. I see straw. Alright, let's.
I'm looking
Okay,
at
straw
it.
just got
Moment.
straw. Get out of there. Pathing through you. Okay, I regrabbed it. I'm dead.
Ooh.
Yeah, I got caught in every time we try to do anything, it's like a huge clump ends up on us.
Yeah.
Seriously, all time.
This feels like a
Leave
big
their own
OPR.
life,
Like, we didn't even.
Oh my god.
This is so bad.
It's pushing to decide to change color for tonight.
Yeah, Flushing changed the color. Do any of you know who the color is? Like, have you guys played
No,
with
no.
and stuff?
So
I don't know
he's.
This guy, seriously.
We need to bring our 50-man together.
And I think I've never
You just
seen him
wanna unmute and
pair
name
with
call
us.
and fucking say that? We have 13 minutes left.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Let's just. Straw, I see you. I see Straw. If you can hit the map, get together.
I'm trying to go top for Havoc, but
Bonfire's heavy. I'm looking though. I'm out and waiting.
I can't even cleanse out. Oh my god.
Punching healers. Okay, I'm looking still.
This was such a bad idea. Why did I go this way? Ah.
I'm trying.
Sacred
I'm
on
caught.
Vic.
Help. Cleansed out of there. Oak flash. Popped everything. I'm good. Oh, yeah,
Sacred on
there's just
Vic.
too much
Whoa,
here.
Whoa.
Yeah,
It's
there's too much
more
here.
than a sacred, yeah.
Holy moly, yeah, that's way too much.
seriously, I can do nothing. Just go on the point, I die. Not your not your fault, Capitisa.
It's not even our sacred. Bottom left to B, 5 seconds. Bottom. Bottom right.
Alright, I can get you in like 2 seconds.
You're okay.
Sacred on point. Or Vic,
I'm okay.
specifically. Clapping. I should grab
I don't
cleanse.
know what just killed us.
Nice. I heard an explosion, so who knows.
Oh no.
I hope it's not what I think it was. But honestly,
okay.
I don't even blame them. Today of all days, I understand. Okay. I see Havoc up there.
Hey, great job.
I placed Sacred on the wrong area again, too. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get back. Let me see. Let me clap, because I'm around you guys. Healing you, Havoc.
Thank you.
Alright,
On
I'm
your
kinda.
pick.
Havoc, where are you? Top
Any
left.
bone.
Top left.
Clapping for anyone around.
I see you, Havoc.
Up, hold on, rotating a bit because things are on
got
me.
him.
Their Zerg is rotating by me. Was, at
Okay.
least. Rotating again. Bottom point now. No, I'm not. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm right
Sacred
behind
on you, Vic.
Killed one of them right there.
Sacred
Yeah, you got
Under
everything in
Vic.
cooldown.
Healing you, Havoc.
Or beating Havoc.
Thank you.
I got disrupted. Hold on. Clapping. Perfect. Not perfect. Got
I have it.
Caesar
Come back to
beating
this
up on
side.
me.
I'm coming through, passing through Straw. Straw's getting jumped.
Sacred
I'm
on
dead.
Yep.
Vic.
I got nuked. I got killed by a fucking barrel.
Yeah, I
Me
saw
too.
that.
Clapping. Ooh, can I save Havoc for a
Trying to
little bit?
cleanse.
No, I cannot. Okay.
Yeah, I don't even hear main comms. No one's
Sacred's
fucking
bottom of
talking.
point, Vic.
Yeah, I don't hear anything. This will be the last time that happens. I'm going in, going for it.
We need to take a bit of a break from war after this.
Oh, yeah.
Yep,
Instantly
this is
got
a
nuked.
reminder. Definitely. I don't even think it was that bad. I just wish Flushing didn't have a last minute, like, caller type of situation.
No, this
I
is.
honestly knew it was gonna
Is
get
this
worse.
like their full roster or something? Did
No,
you finally
Yeah, this
not
is the
get
big
beat?
team.
Nice. There's barely any kegs tonight.
Bottom left of point.
Straw, be careful. You're about to get jumped.
I'm not on fire.
Oh, I die.
Yeah, I couldn't even
close
blink
to
and
you.
save you.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Save
It's not your
Sacred
fault.
Under Minty.
It was,
fine.
yeah, they was. You had like 5 people around you. I'm dead on point right now.
But seriously, Color do a lot of. That's not cool.
Yeah,
What the
go ahead
fuck?
and follow me, bitch.
Well, yeah, this Hunted seems like a really nice guy, but I don't think he's
Seriously, last war we do a fucking good job. We can stay on the same plans. No change the last
Yeah.
minute.
I understand
Please.
this is their A team too, but like it would have been nice to have Flushing see like how he could do calling their A team or whatever fuck team this is. It's fine. At least I get a static 5-man. That's all I really wanted.
I'm
Sacred
trying
to
to
be
come close to you, Avik.
left.
Oh, we
Watch,
have
watch,
no
bottom B,
point.
bottom B, bottom B. If you have a nuke, send it, send it, send it. Let's just try to nuke this. Alright, grabbing center, grabbing right there. Got bottom B.
Sacred under Vic.
Right here, right here, right here.
Hold on, rotating, being poked.
Killed
Okay,
one.
perfect.
There's a bunch of low health
Copy.
bars, bunch of low health bars. If you can get bottom B, you can get bottom B. There was a bunch of low health bars anyways.
Sacred under Havoc.
Alright,
Oh, Havoc
respawns
was
in
right
10.
next to me. Okay. Zerg is being weird.
There's some tick on B somehow.
Sacred under Minty
What?
and Havoc. Since you guys are by each other.
Where we should be. Don't take this to heart. This is a composition that is absolutely better than ours in every way, shape, and form. So just have fun.
Yeah.
Try to work together. Alright, I see our
Take
team is
it
spread
around.
out a little bit. Let's take it.
Okay,
Let's get
Yeah, they're clumping on you, Minty. I don't know if I can.
left.
Let's
Let's
get
swing
no
wide
time.
right here, and then we're gonna throw into this.
Good hills. Holy shit.
Yes, it was touch and go for a second. Oh my gosh.
I am tanked, man.
Take her under Vic.
Yeah, I'm getting
Oh,
beat up. I
Vic.
gotta leave. Just kidding. I'm popping there. I'm stuck. I'm just stuck. Got out. Jesus Christ. Alright, backing up a little bit. Gonna
Take it under
re-cleanse.
Vic.
Gonna rejoin this fight. I'm at the bottom of points where I'm at right now. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out.
Clapping.
Trying to get out.
Sacred under Vic.
Run around and regrab.
Fight back in.
Bottom of B, bottom of B, bottom of B. Getting duked.
Healing Vic. Sacred under Vic.
Make sure you're using your hammer inside these clumps.
Healing Vic. Clapping.
I'm trying to get out.
Dead.
Fuck, I'm
Ticker under Vic. Ran out of mana. Oh my god. Clapping.
I can't hit fucking anything right now.
Ticker under Vic.
I'm leaving. Okay, turning around, repathing it. Cleansing. Going in for a nuke. We're getting kills here.
Healing Havoc. Clapping. Healing
I'm like
Vic.
lagging all over the fucking place. Jesus
Ticker
Christ.
under Vic.
Yeah,
Doing this for
that
a
was wrong
second.
spot. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Let's just get back in the bottom of point.
Clapping.
Watch out. You leave. You ready to
Ticker
rejoin?
under Vic.
Ready to rejoin. And rejoin now. Now.
Clapping.
Let them
Healing
use their
second
abilities.
Havoc. Healing Havoc. One moment. Ticker under Vic.
Pathing.
Clapping.
Gonna dead it. Just kidding.
Healing Havoc. Oh my god. Fuck.
I'm watching my health.
Ticker under Vic.
I'm hurt.
Healing Vic.
Yeah, you're
Copy.
good. I just cleansed.
Yeah, I cleanse this one. There's
Ticker
screen.
under Vic.
Turn around. Okay, what the fuck is my guy doing? Grab. Bottom of point. Oh god, I can't punch that. Hold on. Turn around. Path it. Get the stagger.
Ticker under Vic.
I'm
Healing Vic.
stuck.
Healing
I
Vic.
can't, I'm just getting punched by people from
Copy.
behind.
I'm cleansing.
Healing Straw. Oh, nope. Straw's dead. Wasted. Damn DE.
Cleansing. Or not
Ticker under
cleansing.
Vic.
Cleansing. I'm out of cleanses. Okay, I'm in bottom left right now.
Ticker under Vic.
Nuking now.
Clapping.
Oh, killed one.
Second.
Yep. I'm gonna die here. Yep.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Me
got
and
too
Vic
close
are
to the
dead.
clump.
we're gone. Hey Vic, how you doing?
Doing alright, man. Oof. Straw, great job on the fucking damage, man. Lot of damage.
Ah, I died so many times.
Oh, I know. You got jumped a lot. So when they see fire
Ah.
steps,
I think a lot of know my name and focus me. So
yeah. So what happens is they see, well, number one, your name, and then number two, they see a fire staff out just flaming, and they like to turn on them. Spawning now. Grab cleanse if you don't have it.
Healing Havoc. Oh, didn't know Havoc was by me. Perfect. Okay.
I'm with you, Havoc. They're screamed. This guy's
All
screamed.
right. See you, Havoc. Take it on Havoc.
Alright. I'm looking, I see you. Oh, I didn't fucking slot my shit. God damn it.
Healing Minty. Nope. Went on the wrong
I'm
person.
down.
Fucking. Alright. Got my cleanse. Cooking.
Take it on Havoc. Clap.
Alright. Pushing
I don't know
up.
if I wanted
Pushing
to.
up.
I'm like-
Pushing up.
Burning them down with this spear and rapier, but I just can't finish them off before they're getting healed.
Clapping. Ooh,
Oh
wait.
god.
Nope,
Yeah.
that's not gonna save
Yep.
anyone. Okay.
Rough.
It's okay.
Oof.
Right, where's Havoc?
I'm top right.
Alright, Sacred under you, Havoc. gonna rotate closer to you, so
The war over,
Mm.
isn't it?
yeah, basically.
Oof. Fuck.
I'm actually proud of how our team stayed together, despite this.
For the most part.
Yeah,
I mean, in honest,
good job, guys.
Dude.
that was rough.